This is a 2013 Ford Escape. This crossover has an automatic transmission, an inline 4-cylinder engine, and 4-wheel drive. All of the following features are included: a low tire pressure indicator, aluminum wheels, traction control and stability control systems, a passenger side mirror mounted blind spot camera, front multi-stage airbags, latch-ready child seat anchors, air conditioning, rear seat child-proof door locks, a rear window defroster, and this vehicle has less than 13,000 miles. With an EPA estimated rating of 28 miles per gallon on the highway, fuel efficiency does not take a back seat. The Ford Pre-Owned Certification, a 172-point inspection and reconditioning process, a 7-year, 100,000-mile powertrain limited warranty, and a 12-month, 12,000-mile comprehensive limited warranty, plus Ford Motor Company's 24-hour roadside assistance program. Please call today to reserve this vehicle for a test drive.